Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This video I'll show you how to create a blog content for your blog website using ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you how you can generate blog content in just in a minute. So the first thing you have to do is sign into your ChatGPT account. Then after that, then you come to your ChatGPT. Then you write, give me 10 categories niche to write on for your blog website. So let us make use of that first. So as you can see, it gives us like thing like I asked for. The first one is eco-friendly home solutions, digital nomad lifestyle. These are related like lifestyle stuff like remote work tips, travel guides for digital nomads, managing finance on the go. So the third one is mindfulness and mental health. This is based on motivation, health. The fourth one is plant-based nutrition, like topics like vegan recipes, benefit of plant-based diet, so on. Then outdoor adventure travel is based on like travel something stuff like that. Vintage and thrift shopping, self-publishing in the India authors, smart home technology, pet care and training, historical fiction and research. Actually, this is not what I'm looking for. But let me see, try it down. Now, yeah, these are actually what I'm looking for. Evergreen content. That's actually what you can upload on your blog website. The number one there is personal finance and budgeting, health and wellness, parenting and family, home improvement, cooking and recipes, technology and gadgets, and traveling and tourism. So let's try and make use of one of them. Then I'll show you on how to generate content and topics for personal finance and budgeting. So I'll say give me 10 topics on personal finance and budgeting for my blog website. So as you can see, wow, these are really great. So you can also ask more than 10. So let's make use of the number one topic. Creating a month budget, a step-by-step guide. So how do we generate content on that? First thing you have to do is like write me high quality blog content on creating a monthly budget, step a step-by-step guide for my blog website. So wow, it's very cool. So just search for it. Then you see what I'm saying. You can see. Wow, this is very great. Even just name it here, don't generate your content instead of you just trying to brainstorm the content that you as you can see. So this is how to generate a very high quality content for a blog website in case you are looking for ways to generate a content. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to generate content for your blog website. So if you really find this video very helpful, please subscribe to my channel, share it, and use the thumbs like. So whenever you say if you have any question, you can ask me comments in my below my video below. So then I'll answer your questions. So thanks for watching. Good day everyone.